And a good day, everybody. Jewel here with you with the J7409 weather outlook today. Of course, today is the 21st of May, 2019, and boy, oh boy, did we have a day yesterday and last night. A lot of the subscribers have sent me pictures and wrote me notes, and I can't get everything in this forecast. It makes it too long, but I will read some of the notes and show some of the pictures in another video. I know I'm late this morning, but folks, I was just wore out and tired. I just got up, as a matter of fact. But thoughts and prayers are with everybody who had this horrendous weather yesterday go through their area. So right now, what's going on today, this is a check of the graphical forecast in general for severe weather today, and it's looking like thunderstorms capable of producing high wind gusts and a few tornadoes are possible from the middle Mississippi Valley south into the Arkansas, Louisiana, and Texas area once again today. Now, additional daytime storms capable of producing hail and gusty winds and a couple of tornadoes are going to also be possible in parts of the Central Plains, as you can see. So this is the map in general. Anywhere in the green, we got Florida, we go all the way up to Oregon, Idaho. All you guys, you could have a chance of some storms popping up that you're not expecting, like just regular daytime thunderstorms. So we'll click on through here. This is the hail map, and the chance of hail is greatest, as you can see, from the eastern part of Oklahoma over into Kansas, Missouri, Arkansas, and a little bit of Texas there. Let's go back one now. This is the wind outlook. Going to get very windy in parts of mid to northern Arkansas, a lot of Missouri, parts of Illinois, anywhere where you see the brown 5%, the wind could sneak up on you. And this is the tornado outlook, where the greatest chances of tornadoes have a great chance with the daytime heating up of happening today. And it's looking like southern Missouri and also a good portion of Arkansas. You're in that 10% bracket. Oklahoma's 2%. We go up to Kansas, it's 5 and 2%. And Missouri's got that 10 to 5% at this particular reading. Now, this will change as the day goes on. So once again, here's the hail outlook. And now, here's something you're not used to. This is for severe thunderstorm activity. Now, what you're seeing here now, look at Oklahoma, parts of Texas, and parts of Missouri. Also, parts of Kansas. Over there in northeastern Oklahoma, this is for Barbara, you got a 70% chance of severe thunderstorms. Okay, severe thunderstorms. Then it goes to 40% for a lot of the panhandle of Texas and Oklahoma, right on through where it's blue. And then everybody else in the 10% area, would you look at that? You got a chance of a severe thunderstorm. It may be small, but you still have it. So just watch your skies and see if anything develops from this. If you see your skies change, you know what to do. As we move through the day, it slips a little further to the east, right on the borderline of Oklahoma, Arkansas, and Missouri at 70%. And you can see how this system, the low center itself, is moving as it moves across 70%. A lot of Missouri, it starts to sneak into Illinois, and it's going to move on parts of Iowa. And then this is what tomorrow may look like. It's not going away right yet, but it should get better. But this is what it's looking like for severe thunderstorms today. If you live in any of these areas, this is the hail outlook. the wind, severe wind outlook, and the forecast in general for severe weather map right here. And here we have the GFS map, courtesy of Tropical Tidbits. You can see the little disturbance here, subtropical storm Andrea right there. We're going to get to the tropical forecast in a moment, but you will see it will move up and then on out. So what's going on for everybody else in the lower 48? Well, the stormy weather across the plains and the cool temperatures for the Rockies and New England is still going to be, folks. Yep, the severe weather potential is beginning, though, to gradually diminish across the Central Plains and the Midwest after a very active day yesterday. Now, the threat of severe storms today is across Missouri and Arkansas for the most part, as I've showed you. And they're not going to be quite as widespread as they were yesterday. Now, with the surface low weakening tomorrow, the severe threat will not be quite as significant. Yay, that's a good thing. But on the flip side of that coin, we got heavy rain once again. It's going to be a very high issue. Maybe 1 to 3 to 4 inches of more rainfall through certain areas through tomorrow, from eastern Oklahoma to northern Missouri. And this is going to lead to instances of flooding and flash flooding. I've showed you that just a while ago on the other maps of all the rainfall chances that are coming. So please keep this in mind if you're in these areas. Now, to the north and west of the surface low, temperatures are forecast to be 10 to 25 degrees below average across the Four Corners region, the western high plains, and much of the Intermountain West through tomorrow. Late season mountain snow is likely for portions of Wyoming, Colorado, Utah, and Montana, where at least a few inches of snow could fall at elevations above 8,000 feet through tomorrow. Now, behind the cold front and dry line, very low relative humidity and high winds is going to result. And what's that going to do? It's going to make very dangerous fire weather conditions, mainly across southern New Mexico and far western portions of Texas. And here we have a quick look at Andrea this morning. And what does the National Hurricane Center say? Well, as of 5 a.m. this morning, the winds were 40 miles per hour. The minimum central pressure went up 1 notch. It's 1,007 millibars. And if you are tracking this storm, it's located at 30.0 north, 69.0 west. It is moving north at 6 miles per hour. Now, this is the 5-day outlook. This morning over in the Pacific, this storm situation still disorganized. Thunder showers, it's low. It's at a 20% right now. We'll see what it says. No, 10%, excuse me. It's still disorganized showers, though, and thunderstorms, and they continue in association with this broad area of low pressure. It's located a few hundred miles south of Guatemala and El Salvador. Now, some gradual development of this system is possible later this week, as you can see. And it's looking like the disturbance is just going to sit out there and meander over the far eastern North Pacific. At this time, we're going to have to wait and see. But in 5 days, it does have a 50% chance of turning into something. So we certainly will keep our eyes on that. And so far as over in Hawaii, there's nothing going on, my friends, nothing at all. If you click show more, you'll have all the latest information and update on Andrea that you need. They probably will stop putting out forecasts on it, though, as of sometime this afternoon or maybe a little sooner. So you don't have to worry about it. It's going to dissipate. It's moving north, and it's going to go east and dissipate even more. Bermuda, you may get some light wind gust out of it. It looks like it's going to stay far enough away that it's no danger to land. So, that's it for the weather today. Thank you so much for watching. I appreciate that so much. Thank you guys, all the subs. I love you so much. Thank you for the donations. I thank you for just watching my videos and sharing them with your friends and family and social media to help me keep people safe and let people know what's going on to the best of my knowledge. It means so much. Have a good day, a safe day, a blessed day. Peace, love, and kindness to each of you. Thank you for watching.